Hi everybody, I want to unbox with you a Belletress style from the Luxe collection, which is called Missoni in the color Burnt Biscuit Blonde R. I've never tried this color before and never had the style, so I'm very excited. A big thank you to Wigstudio 1 for gifting me this piece. So let's have a look. I haven't looked. I always want to do that with you. Ooh, I'm liking this color. The root is really not too dark, but not too light for my dark hair either. Sits on tissue paper. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's a shorter, wavy style. These kinds of waves that I can, even when I had my own bio hair that was longer, I never could achieve. So really pretty. So let's look at the cap construction. Chef's kiss. It's very light, and you will see in a minute why. So you have a mono top, so you can part it wherever you like in that section. You have a super extended lace front, so that runs all the way to the end of the ear tabs. And the ear tabs are not felt covered. They have this like silicone, so that means you can put adhesive on there if you wanted to. The other thing they are really slim. So there is no little bulk here or anything because they are so slim. They have metal stays in them, so you can still mold it to your head, but it's just really natural looking here. Then you have a 100% hand-tied cap. There is stretch in this cap, so that's always good. And then you have velvet covered extended nape with Velcro adjusters. This feels so light. It's like there's nothing here. So let's turn it over. Pop it on. So first thing I do is just shake it and just run my fingers through it just to release a little bit the fibers from the cap so they move more freely. There will be no permatease in here because it's a completely hand-tied cap. So for everyone who loves low density, this is for you. Right, let me pop this on now. I have very short hair at the top here, so normally I just gel this back to show off the hairline, but let's have a look. And I also have the dark hair obviously underneath it, so when I show you the mono top and the part there, it might not look as open as it actually is because obviously I have the dark hair underneath it. But look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like this kind of style. It feels like I have nothing. Oh, this is so light. This is so gorgeous. So let me show you all around before I play with it more. This is straight out of the box. Wow. Fit wise, now this fits a little bit big on my 21.5-inch circumference, but there's room to tighten it, and there is room a little bit to widen it as well. So it is a typical average cap size, I would say. Let's look at the lace front. Oh, you have the lighter pieces at the front, so excuse my own bio hair here. Let me just move that there. So natural, so all the way to the ear tab, so you can pull it back right down to here, and it looks like hair's growing out of your scalp. Hairline is really good. Lighter pieces to the front, slight band effect. Not the biggest fan of that, but it's only slight. This is adorable. Right, so let me show you the mono top. So don't forget I have dark hair underneath it. but it looks really realistic. It's really good. So this is what it would look like if you part. I think this is slightly off middle. So you might need to use some kind of heat or water and heat to move it to where you want it to be, because it is kind of wants to be where it was. I actually think I quite like it where it was at the beginning. Heat-friendly fibers, so if you either get bored of the curls or you just don't quite like some of it, you can change it. You can use a heat tool, straighten it out, add different types of waves and curls to it. So you have a few styling options here. What I like about these shorter styles is that they will last you longer because they don't really rub on your shoulders and on your clothes. If you don't have a scarf on, obviously, then obviously there will be some friction. But these are just gorgeous. As I said, there is no permatease. This is a low density piece, obviously because of the waves. It adds a little bit of a feeling of volume, but that's what you want. When you have a wavy wig, you want it to look a little bit more voluminous. But on the top of the head, where you haven't got the waves, this looks like your own hair. So thanks again to Wigstudio 1 for sending me this piece. The link is down below in the description box. And I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and the mini review. And I hope I see you very soon.